Okay. Okay. What did I get? The other side. What did I get? What? They're olive. What is this? What are these? Just leave it. It's just a tutorial. Disgusting. It's not a tutorial. It's just something. I don't know. We don't need these. Yeah, start it. What did we get? I think I got a smoothie because I love smoothies. What? Okay, let's check what we got. What did we get? I don't know. Let's just see. Open the wrappers. No, I want to open the smallest one, then the biggest one. I'm pretty sure this is the speed that we have to do this. You opening it? Yeah. Oh, it's a little spatula. It's a little spatula. What else is? What's this? And it's also. I think it's Nutella. Ah! Ah! Sorry, bros. Okay, Daddy, drive slowly. I don't have no idea what this thing is. Me too. If you know, then search in the comments. If you know what this is. What is that? No idea. Okay, let's just keep it safe and put it. What else? This is the second smallest. Okay. Let me just check off these tweezers. They're so cute. And this butter knife, I don't know what's for. I'm opening this, okay? Okay. Butter knife. Oh, icy! What's this? It's ice. It's ice. No, it's party pink. I wonder what this is. Oh, let's open it. No eating. Okay. What's it? Oh, it's peanut butter jelly sandwich. Where is the manual? Where was it? Where did you put it? I know it was my manual. Get up. Peanut butter jelly sandwich. Peanut butter jelly. Okay. Oh, I got scared for a minute. Open this, Ahmed. I'm checking which one we have. Oh, which one is it? Oh, we got sprinkles. Oh, I wonder what we got. Just keep them falling off. Look what we got. I have no idea what we got. We have sprinkles. Oh, I think we have cookie. Let's open it. Let's open this one and the last one. Put it back, Ahmed. No, don't open it. Please don't open any of them, Ahmed. Close it carefully. Ahmed, why did you even open it? Because I thought it was cool. Don't open it, okay? Okay, let me open this. What on earth is wrong with you, Ahmed? Let me open this now. It's cookies. See, I told you it's cookies. Let's be careful with this. We have to open the wrappers. Now you can. It's cookies. Oh, now I don't want to open them. I'm not opening them until I say so. Until I say so, then we're going to open them. Oh, it's a little cookie tray. Oh, nice, bro. Let's see now. It's so cute. Where's the cookies? See the cookie tray. How do we make it? Look at behind. So let's start. Get ready the cookie tray. First thing, open the cookies. No, wait, I want to do it. I'm doing it. It's mine. Okay, we're opening the cookies. Cookies, yummy. Now open it. I'm so scared that we might lose them, so I'm going to be so careful. I lose so many toys before. When I was just under 5, I had so many toys and I lost them all. What the? They're so cute. All of them fell. But they're all in my hand. No. Okay, first put them on the tray. Put them on the tray. This last one, I don't have. Okay, now I had the last one. Oh, this feels so good. It's like squishy, like real. Now put them here. Put them here. Let's put them on the tray. Now get your pliers. Pliers. Get the spoon. Spoon? No. Not the. This. I don't know. Look. No, look at this. No, look. First, we have to butter it. We have to use this. I'm so scared that we make a mess in my car. Yeah, we have to butter it. Butter. I'm good at applying things. Can you hold a cookie for me? No, I'm good at applying things.
No, it's mine.
I promise. I'm good.
Just holds a cookie for me on the side. Oh my goodness, how do I open this butter?
Butter is impossible to open. Doorman video.
What is this? It's can't even
Girl
open
can't
this.
open butter.
Video.
Doorman video.
Oh, where? Only glass.
I know how
we
to.
lost something. We lost them. Let me open this. Oh yeah. Oh, I opened it. I opened it. Thanks, Ahmed. Don't touch it.
The peanut butter. Oh,
slime.
slime.
What did you?
Slime.
Okay, then
It's
don't-
slime.
Calm down. Where is that? That is. Hold this, buddy.
Take this right now. What?
Okay, give me it. Just rub it.
It went on my hands. Take this.
Ew. This one is hot. Smells so real. No, actually looks so real.
Yeah, it looks so real. But
Oh
it's
my
slime.
god.
Put it on. Put it on.
Oh, this is like the first time ever, so I'm really new to do this. And this is my first ever unboxing video. So that's why I'm just a little clumsy.
Me too.
So please do not blame in the comments that why am I so clumsy. And oh my goodness, I'm so scared. Seriously, I am so scared. I'm gonna jump. Seriously, I'm gonna scared. I'm like scared, 100% scared. I'm like 100% scared. I thought this goo was really like thick.
We have to put it in the light for 24 hours.
Yeah. I'm so scared.
Put the butter on.
It's not butter jam.
Doorman video. Girl can't open butter and she finally opened and she cannot make cookies.
Be quiet, Ahmed. That's not true.
Yeah, it is true.
Ahmed, can you just pick up the camera and show them what we're doing right now? It's on me. That's enough. Ahmed, can you just pick up the camera and show them what we're doing?
Okay, now wait a minute. Wait.